Hello guys, welcome to Supreme Steno classes. I am now going to give you a legal dictation from Supreme Court cases, which is Garib Nawaz Corporation versus State of Maharashtra. And so be ready for it. 5 seconds. Start. Facts. On 30/12/2001, the Chief Executive Officer R.A. Milk Colony, Goregaon, East Mumbai invited tenders for recovery of toll from private vehicles at the three checkposts at Goregaon, Marol and Powai, and amongst the tenders, Mrs. Garib Nawaz Corporation was awarded the contract on 16/2/2002. Accordingly, an agreement was executed between Mr. Garib Nawaz Corporation on the one hand and Government of Maharashtra and the Chief Executive Officer R.A. Milk Wasahat Goregaon East Mumbai on the other hand. Under the agreement, Mr. Garib Nawaz Corporation was to collect toll from private vehicles entering into the R.A. Milk Wasahat at the three checkposts and deposit with the government a sum of rupees 16 crore 58 lakh for 3 years from 16 to 2005. Under the agreement, Mr. Garib Nawaz Corporation was also to deposit 5% of the aforesaid amount as security deposit, which worked out to rupees 82 lakh 90,000. Condition number 5 of the agreement further provided that if the contractor is unable to carry out the contract will be cancelled and the security deposit amount will not be refunded at the contractor, and if a new contractor is appointed for the work for a lesser amount, the differential amount will be recovered by the government as a loss out of the security deposit amount. Pursuant to the agreement, Mr. Garib Nawaz Corporation carried out the work of recovering tolls from private vehicles for a period of 3 years, and on expiry of the period of 3 years was guaranteed extension for a further period of 3 years from 17 to 2005 on the same terms and condition with 2 modifications. The royalty was increased by 5% and condition number 5 was relaxed. Sri Subhas R. Acharya, respondent in the two special leave petitions, challenged the extension of 3 years granted to Mr. Garib Nawaz Corporation in writ petition number 580 of 2007 before the Bombay High Court, containing inter alia that the orders of the authorities guaranteeing the extension for 3 years to Mr. Garib Nawaz Corporation to collect toll and relaxing condition number 5 of the agreement were clearly arbitrary and had caused a huge loss to the state exchequer. After considering the allegations in the writ petition and the replies filed by the respondents to the writ petition, the High Court found in the impugned judgment and order that the orders to grant the extension of the contract for a further period of 3 years with an enhancement of royalty payable by 5% and to waive condition number 5 of the agreement were taken by Sri Anis Ahmad, the then Minister for Dairy Development, Agriculture and Animal Husbandry, Government of Maharashtra, respondent number 6 in the writ petition. The High Court further held in the impugned judgment and ordered that orders appeared to be abuses of power and offended the basic norms of public authority and public accountability relatable to performance of the public duty. The High Court accordingly quashed the order dated 21/8/2004 granting extension of the contract to Mr. Garib Nawaz Corporation and directed the state to invite fresh tenders for collection of tolls at the 3 checkposts at Goregaon, Marol and Powai of Array Milk Colony. In the impugned judgment and order, the High Court further directed the State of Maharashtra to appoint a committee to determine the loss caused to the state exchequer as a result of waiver of condition number 5 of the original contract, as well as from the order granting extension for a period of 3 years to Mr. Garib Nawaz Corporation, and further directed that this committee shall compute the loss for the period of extension, that is from 17 to 2005 till the passing of the impugned judgment and order by the High Court. The High Court further directed in the impugned judgment and order that the loss determined by the committee for the extended period shall be recovered from Mr. Garib Nawaz Corporation, and the loss suffered by the state on account of deletion of condition number 5 of the original contract as determined by the committee shall be recovered from Sri Anish Ahmad, the then Minister for Dairy Development, Agriculture and Animal Husbandry. The High Court also directed that the state will ensure that no such extension of contracts is guaranteed by its various departments and instrumentalities in future except for valid reasons recorded in writing. Aggrieved by these directions in the impugned judgment and order of the division bench of the High Court, Mr. Garib Nawaz Corporation and Sri Anish Ahmad, the Minister, have filed the two special leave petitions. On 1/10/2007, this court, while issuing notice in SLPC number 17,756 of 2007, directed that in the meantime of a committee is constituted pursuant to the directions of the impugned judgment and order of the High Court. The committee may continue with the inquiry, but no amount shall be recovered from the petitioner. During the pendency of the special leave petitions, the state of Maharashtra constituted a committee as directed in the impugned judgment and order of this committee had submitted its report dated 27/2009, which is annexed to the application for permission to the file additional documents on record filed in SLPC number 17,756 of 2007. Decision. The directions in the impugned judgment and order for recovery of loss, if any, determined by the committee from the two petitioners, Mr. Garib Nawaz Corporation and Sri Anish Ahmad, have not ultimately affected the said two petitioners. The remaining directions in the impugned judgment and order of the High Court to the authorities to issue fresh tenders for recovery of toll from private vehicles at the 3 checkposts of Array Milk Colony and not to grant extensions in future except for reasons to be recorded in writing do not affect the two petitioners and are meant to ensure that no loss is caused to the public exchequer in future by grant of extensions. For these reasons, we are not inclined to interfere with the impugned judgment and order of the High Court. Stop. So ये जजमेंट था सुप्रीम कोर्ट का ऑन द केस वर्सेस ऑफ मिस्टर गरीब नवाज कॉरपोरेशंस वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र। तो होप आप लोग मेहनत कर रहे होंगे अच्छे से, और मैं यही आशा करता हूँ कि आपको डिक्टेशन पसंद आ रहा होगा। तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें। यदि आपकी कोई क्यूरीज हो तो